Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got a little challenge. A Renault Clio with an often avoided 3-stage red pearl paint. As you can see though, there's also a nasty dented scrape in the rear quarter panel. So join me today as we get this car looking back how it should. Start off by grinding down those areas you can see there, just because I want to get those deepest parts of the dent out first. I've got those low areas up, I can start going in and fine tuning those other little bits that need to come up higher. Pulling out that arch wedge as far as it needs to go. Result after pulling. You do that so you only have to put minimal filler in the repair. And this is Evercoat Rage Optex. The thing I like most about this is when you mix it, it's pink, but once it's fully cured it turns green, so there's no guessing. Swage tool to get a nice crisp swage line. So what I'm doing now is sanding around the edges of the repair area to remove any of the blocking scratches, ready to apply the UV primer. Just quickly masking those edges, we don't want to scuff anywhere we're not meaning to. Quick disc change, damn those things ain't cheap, but they sure do speed up the prepping process. Making sure to get all those edges, we certainly don't want any peeling paint. Constantly making sure to clean down the panels between stages to make sure we don't get any reactions. Primer for about 3 years now. Love the stuff. loads faster than the traditional high build primer. One thing with the UV primer is you've got to make sure to get those edges feathered down nice and smooth. Just having a little issue with the Merkur cable there. Going over it there with the 800 grit sanding disc, just making sure to get out any of those blocking scratches. We don't want that showing up in the paint. Now I've fully finished with the prep, it's time to get everything masked out to paint. Traditional colours, you've only got one colour that goes on and then the clear coat over the top. With the free stage pearl, you've got a coloured ground coat. Over the top of that, you then put the pearlescent effect coat.
So, bit of an update on what's going on. Run out of paint. Bumper's just fine. And then, yeah. Not fun, but got some on the way. Just gotta wait. Fun times.
2 hours later.
So we actually mix all the paint on the van itself. We've got a little mixing scheme. I didn't actually run out of a pre-mixed paint. It was one of the tints that goes into making the actual pearl coat. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember, if you've enjoyed watching, give us a like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel.